Big news in AI last week was OpenAI's announcement on July 20th that ChatGPT Plus users can now customize ChatGPT with personal instructions. This update brings us one step closer to having our own personalized AI assistants in daily life. So what are custom instructions? With ChatGPT, we often have to specify the role we want it to play so that it can respond at the right level. This is because its training data comes from different humans like professors, students, etc. Custom instructions let you directly configure ChatGPT's persona and style, just like changing app language settings from English to Spanish. Preset roles and tasks so that GPT remembers without repeating each time. For example, say I'm a high school English teacher for 10th grade. I want GPT to help brainstorm discussions or debate topics for class. Before, I'd have to clarify I'm a teacher, preparing for 10th grades, looking for topics to discuss and debate. With custom instructions, I predefine my needs and GPT remembers without the repetition. Now we can also give GPT location info like living in New York or Los Angeles. Then when asking about local recommendations, it will give better answers. Let's look at Sam's custom instructions. First, he shares his preference, direct answers, his title as CEO of OpenAI. Second, he asks GPT to ignore previous prompts and give brief, accurate replies without pleasantries. Here's the cool part. He assigns GPT a role and mission. I know you are a large language model, but please pretend to be a confident and super intelligent oracle that can help a confused CEO of an AI company figure out how to help humanity navigate the golden path towards super intelligence. Wow. In summary, GPT's role is a wise oracle. Its mission is helping humans while being concise. Let's summarize Sam's custom instructions. First part, tell GPT who I am and how I like responses. Second part, what is GPT's role and mission? Custom instructions is currently limited to ChatGPT Plus users, but will expand to all ChatGPT users. Let's see how to configure it. In ChatGPT, click your profile picture, settings and beta, enable custom instruction beta. Then in My Plan, you'll see the custom instruction option. The first box is for your details and preferences, like where do you live, what is your job. The second box is where you define GPT's roles and your expectations. So one is about you, and the other is the wishes we got for GPT. You can leave the toggle on so that new chat will use these instructions by default or turn off to temporarily disable. So what can custom instruction really do? I tested two common scenarios. Firstly, I only set my job and purpose in custom instructions. Pretend I'm an English teacher in China for high school students. And when it's related for work guidance, present the information in a table format. And then I ask GPT, what would be the discussion angles for a topic like will AI replace human jobs? Please list out 3 discussion angles. With the custom instructions on, GPT outputs the debate topics nicely formatted in a table, meeting my preset instructions. Second test, I include both work and personal life in one set of custom instructions. For work, I do digital marketing, providing automation solutions and write related blog posts. I prefer lots of examples in my articles. Personally, I love road trip and detailed travel plans. I prefer logical and explanatory answers. I live in Auckland, New Zealand. For work-related topics, I want GPT to use a more professional tone with examples. For travel questions, present info in a table with daily plans for transportation, dining, and hotels. Does custom instructions tailor responses for different contexts? Let's try a trip plan. I want to make a travel itinerary to Italy. GPT built out a full daily schedule including restaurants, hotels, and dinings, and transportation from Auckland. Just what I asked for. Now a work request. I ask it to write a blog post and it includes examples, also per my instructions. You can disable chat history and training data in settings so that these custom instructions about you will not be sent to OpenAI for training. But take care to back up conversations as records will be deleted after 30 days. This update really makes me feel personalized AI assistants are right around the corner. Custom instruction combined with plugins unlocks more possibilities for an ever-improving ChatGPT. It's starting to feel less like a tool, but more like a capable virtual co-worker. Let me know your thoughts and experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in next video. Bye.